In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an instant digital pixelate censorship effect in GIMP step by step so you can blur out sensitive details quickly and cleanly. This is a simple technique that works great for screenshots, photos, thumbnails, and any image where you need to hide private or sensitive information. It's fast, easy, and once you learn it, you can use it again and again on different projects. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, open your image in GIMP. Once your file is loaded, you'll want to select the area that contains the sensitive content. To do that, use a selection tool, such as the Rectangle Select tool, and draw a box around the part of the image you want to censor. Try to make the selection as precise as possible so the effect only applies where you need it. After your selection is in place, go up to the top menu and click Filters, then Blur, and then Pixelize. This is the filter that creates the classic blocky censorship look. When the Pixelize window opens, you'll see settings for the block size. The most important one here is the block width value, because that controls how large the pixel squares will be. Increase the block width gradually, and watch the preview if it's available. As you raise the value, the details inside your selected area will become more and more abstract until they turn into unrecognizable square pixels. If the content is still too readable, simply increase the block width a little more. If it looks too aggressive, lower it until it feels balanced for your image. The goal is to make the information impossible to read while still keeping the image visually clean. Once you're happy with the result, click OK to apply the effect. And just like that, you've created a quick digital pixelate censorship effect in GIMP. This is one of the easiest ways to protect privacy or hide sensitive details without needing advanced editing skills. You can use it for names, faces, addresses, usernames, or anything else you don't want visible. If you want more GIMP tips and simple editing tutorials, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.